if you had to give one ultimate tip for business success, what would it be?
I think for me personally, I feel so lucky that I have a business partner who I feel complements me so well. And I'm not sure I could have done this on my own. I feel like for me, it's been really important to have someone to commiserate with when things are tough, someone to celebrate with when things are going well, someone who has a different skill set and is able to kind of work with me and fill in those gaps which I find difficult, and vice versa. But I think collectively, the both of us, I don't know, it sounds a bit cheesy, but I think for us, it really is about finding something that you are truly passionate about, so that, you know, regardless of how much money you're making or how successful the business is, it's something that, you know, if you can eke out a living, you're doing something when you wake up every day and it's really fulfills you, and it's something you're really passionate about and you really enjoy. I think, you know, when you talk about success, it's like, to me, that is what success is. Success is about waking up and making a living out of something that you really love.